Khalifa, man. Paper plane gang. I'm a one young. Hey, shout out to my brother Spitter, man. I just wanted to say that. Yeah. And your bitch can see this shit from across the street, nigga. It's pimping over here. Macaroni. Cushion orange juice, nigga. What up, Chevy? Germ, I see you. Cardo on the beat. I don't love them, I don't chase them, I duck them. Smoke something, go to a new state soon as I fuck them. Niggas be pressed for pussy, ain't nothing. Instead of worrying about who that bitch fucking, why don't you get you some money? 9 times out of 10, she see me stunting. Game running, wanna know my hotel and who phone the ring when she coming. I keep it 100. Get love from the hoes, but it's money over bitches, nothing above it. Like the weed, loud like my engine when I speed up. Bitches holding they weed, rolling trees with their pretty feet up. Them suckers often imitate, but they can't beat us. So super high, look in the sky when you won't see me, bruh. Cut my speakers up, drowning out what the critics say. Just continue to smoke and remain G as fuck. G as fuck. Polo socks match my polo hat. She leave once, it's a known fact. And she ain't coming back. Now Taylor gang that shit changed with the amount of horses in my motor when I switch lanes. And I beat them blinded with the diamonds in my big chain. Heavy in the game, little homie, I'm doing big things, big things, big things. And the bitches, they mesmerize, they recognize. I keep it so G, I keep it so G. Get you some money, fucking with me, I don't love them, I don't chase them, I duck them. Try to get paper out of fucker, don't know shit about her. I take you up where it's cloudy. And one of them lames still rockin' Prada. I go to Louis and blow a couple thousand. One of my baddest bitches rolling up while I'm driving. And she don't even smoke, just hit it once while she light it. My game tight, sail and sign it. Them niggas just playing, ain't really ballin'. Saying they being honest, claiming that's your wife, but we can't call it. She all in my hotel suite at 3 in the morning. Taking their clothes off, inhaling weed and coughing. Ain't her first time chiefing, but say she don't do this often. Since I was 16, I had all the intentions to keep it G. Take niggas' hoes and smoke hella trees with them. As for your team, you niggas in the stands, you just looking, I'm a pro to these rookies, and the plan is still paper over pussy. And ain't shit changed with the amount of horses in my motor when I switch lanes. And I beat them blinded with the diamonds in my big chain. Heavy in the game, little homie, I'm doing big things, big things, big things. And the bitches, they mesmerize, they recognize. I keep it so G, I keep it so G. Get you some money, fucking with me, yeah, nigga. This shit just don't sound cool. That's what we go to sleep to. Wake up to. Cushion orange juice, nigga. Yeah. Your bitch cooking them cheese eggs too. Got paper in my pocket. Taylor gang, what's up? See y'all niggas, man. We done fucked over this year. It's a wrap. Yeah. We don't want no more sucker shit. Ever. Life. Looking out the window. Cushion orange juice, nigga. You might want to burn one of this. Sledge rock. You Couldn't walk a mile in these 11 and a halves, even if you had a chance. Visions of this cash, follow with the thought of the bitch that's chilling at my pad. It's all part of the plan to come through, get high as I can. Party, hit the studio, jet lag. Packing my overnight carry on, we don't check bags. Old folks surprised to see I'm young and I'm Louis up to my eyes. True story, word to the wise. Don't let these labels gas you up to be something. Get your paper, never trust them. Watch the niggas you run with. I done seen niggas who had all of their dreams fucked over some dumb shit and make no assumptions. Hotel owners saying the oldest too pungent, blame it on the reefer consumption. The difference between you guys is you lie and we live it. In the sky, so pay us a visit. Bet your bitch be trying to kick it. But you ain't trying to eat, nigga. Come on. What is you waiting for? Nigga tired just sitting around, man. Come on. Everything was all good. That shit real. Yeah. Soon as I enter the room, it's red carpets and bitches with pretty smelling perfume. Smoking cigars, she was full. Now you roll hella dudes and anticipate that how fly too. Sucker shit we just can't excuse. Steady trying to duplicate, but they ain't us. Got bitches dissing they lame ass niggas. Pothead kids rolling they decker. Paparazzi taking pictures, we famous. Held my city down like an anchor. Now with champagne we drink. Non-smoking room, we just ashing them in the sink. I love her attitude, she love tracing my ink. I get up in the wind, leave her with something to ease stress. The best, not just regular vision. Let you get a glimpse of how I'm living. HD, young Khalifa getting to the money. Safe key. Matter of fact, hit this. You cold nigga, I got a coat in the trunk. Come on, man. Leave that bullshit alone, man. It's over for that. Put this coat on.